Hi guys, it's Chris here from Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, and I have a question for you. Are you a Beatles fan? And if you're a Beatles fan, who do you prefer, Paul McCartney or John Lennon? If it's John Lennon, you probably might want to scroll. But if it's Paul McCartney, I've got a treat for you. The Hard Day's Night Hotel in Liverpool, I stayed at the Paul McCartney Suite. Now, as you can see, it's behind you, and it's really quite cool in a 1970s adult movie set kind of way. I really enjoyed it. I think the hotel is fabulous. But I'll give you a quick look around the room here. Get my green screen pointing right, Chris? Yeah, I'll give you a quick look around the room here now. As you can see, we have a night for our hard days. There's lots of Beatles stuff on the TV. Because it's Paul McCartney, we have Rupert Bear book, and that looks quite valuable. And there's obviously all the images on the walls are all to do with Paul McCartney. Now, I did want to stay in the John Lennon room, John Lennon Suite, but it was fully booked every time that I was available to go. So, like most people, I don't know. Am I right? Is it John Lennon first and then Paul McCartney second? Or is it, or are you all Paul McCartney fans? Let me know. Anyway, the Hard Day's Night Hotel, its public rooms are absolutely awesome as well. So check those out. Now, the full review of the hotel is obviously below, but here just a little spin around the public air bar area where you are welcome as a non-resident. And there's some busts of the Beatles. There's loads and loads of images and memorabilia surrounding you. So if you're a Beatles fan, Hard Day's Night. If you're a John Lennon fan, try and get the John Lennon Suite. And if you're a Paul McCartney fan, watch the full video below. Also, if you go into the Hard Day's Night for a drink at the bar or a coffee, just take a walk up the stairs. They won't mind. But as you walk up the stairs, you've got the whole history of the Beatles going on a spiral staircase like that, just in case you didn't know what a spiral staircase was. Anyway, I really enjoyed it. I would have much preferred to have been in the John Lennon room because he's got a white piano. I can't play the piano. Anyway, this is just me sharing a few memories of some of the 125 hotels that I've reviewed over the last couple of years. So if you'd like to join me tomorrow for another hotel review, you would be more than welcome. And if you want to know when if you want YouTube to let you know when I publish another video, my normal full hotel reviews, travel offers, special deals, etc., then please press the subscribe button. It is free, of course. And if you ring the bell, YouTube will notify you when I publish one of those videos. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. And yeah, Hard Day's Night. Oh, the Facade. I will leave you with the front of the hotel. I think you'll like it.